Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Well Said stamp set as well as the Be Mine stitched framelits, and I'm throwing in a couple more framelits here and there. I have a piece of whisper white here that I'm cutting down to 2 inches and 7/8 of an inch square. I've put it in my envelope punch board, lined that left side up at 1 1/4. I'm punching, grabbing my little score tool there. Now I'm lining up my score with the little hangy down digit thing, and which is actually called a score guide. So I'm lining up the score guide with the score that I did. So there's no measuring aside from that first initial punch and score at 1 1/4. Now I am rounding my little corners here, and sometimes because those edges are smaller, you have to really sort of wiggle it in there to make sure it's going to fit properly. All right, so now I'm burnishing the score lines that I just made, and I'm making a teeny tiny itsy bitsy weeny patootie cutie patootie envelope. So I don't have any baby stamps whatsoever, and I am making a baby card because I happen to know somebody who just had a baby, and I wanted to send a little gifty, and I'm looking around for baby stuff, and I got nothing. Nothing. Well, I might have been able to use the Better Together stamp set, but I always use that one. So I wanted something different. So yeah, this is the Twinkle Twinkle Designer Series paper for my background. Here I used just a regular circle and put some vellum circle down. Now here on dimensionals, I put my super cute little envelope. I used the Be Mine stitched Thinlit there and made some hearts. And now I'm sponging with my daubers. Let's see, I have Pool Party and Soft Sea because that's in the paper. So now I just have a little bit of my favorite adhesive, and I'm just using my silicone mat there so I don't get glue everywhere. And then I decided to tuck the hearts in the envelope so that'll adhere real nice. And then I cut off a little bit of the hearts there. And now I am using the Well Said stamp set. And this says, "So happy you're here." And then this is the tiniest stitched oval, and I'm stamping in Night of Navy. And it says, "Hello, baby. So happy you're here." And I'm going to use the same colors that I used on the hearts. Soft Seafoam on the top and Pool Party on the bottom. And, you know, I struggled with this because it doesn't really have any baby elements, but it doesn't really have to. The colors are there. You can tell that it's a boy. And, yeah, you know, the placement was a little off for me. So you'll see in the pictures at the end how I actually I moved it over to the left and down a little bit, the whole kit and caboodle, but still it's the same sort of thing. I flag ended this lovely little sentiment, "So happy you're here," put it above the hearts, and there it is. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.